my name is Nancy Zhao, and I'd like to provide a brief overview about my pilot project from CAsToR. Briefly, there remains a need to better understand how flavors and newer nicotine products like e-cigarettes may affect biological processes and health outcomes, especially over time, and also whether flavored e-cigarette use may disproportionately increase an individual's risk for developing chronic diseases like heart disease. So my pilot project aimed to examine whether flavored e-cigarette use is associated with systemic inflammation and cardiovascular disease risk, and whether these effects depend on individual differences in nicotine metabolism. So I used data from the past study and did analyses of two main components. So first, I used linear regression models to examine associations between flavors and biomarkers of systemic inflammation at wave 1. Then I used survival analysis to examine whether flavored e-cigarette use predicted cardiovascular diagnoses over time. And in all the models, I tested whether nicotine metabolism modified these associations and also controlled for several key demographic and behavioral factors. So from the project, I learned several preliminary findings. So while there was limited evidence for significant associations between flavored e-cigarette use and systemic inflammatory biomarkers after adjusting for covariates, I did observe significant associations with the time to cardiovascular disease diagnoses, which also appeared to vary significantly over time and maybe moderated also by NMR. So therefore, I took away several key considerations for future work, including the value of examining time-varying effects and individual level moderators, as well as the need for clarifying these underlying biological mechanisms. So overall, understanding not just whether there's an association, but how and when these effects occur will be really crucial for developing future research and tobacco regulations. Moving forward, I plan for several next steps, including continue to conduct analyses to clarify the potential time-varying effects, preparing findings for publication and presentation, as well as using this work to develop and submit a future grant application. The pilot project has significantly advanced my career in multiple ways, helped expand my research portfolio into e-cigarettes, and broadened my professional network. It also provided me with opportunities to advance my statistical and methodological skills, including learning new programming language and analytical methods. It's also strengthened my grant and project management capabilities, particularly navigating restricted data environments, and also helped lead to different institutional recognition, including a faculty research award. So thank you again for selecting my pilot project for funding. I'm extremely grateful for all the support I received from the grant team and to have this amazing learning opportunity. Thank you so much.